Hydrojet high-pressure power washer. Hydrojet pressure washers can blast surfaces with water that has been pressurized more than 100 times the air around us. But how exactly do they work? Let's find out. High-pressure washers are used to clean hard surfaces. Hydrojet high-pressure power washers are common in commercial use, however, they can also be used at home. They have a slightly different mechanism from that of a regular pressure washer. Below is an explanation of how a hydrojet high-pressure power washer work. Parts of a pressure washer. In order to understand how hydrojet high-pressure washer works, it is important to know its components. Basically, a pressure washer has a water inlet that connects the appliance to the water supply. The inlet has a filter to prevent dirt and other particles from entering the appliance. An electric motor, which is an engine almost similar to a lawnmower. Its main function is to power the pump. A water pump that is similar to the regular groundwater pump, only that it is powered using an electric motor. A high-pressure wash, which is a tube reinforced with a wire mesh and has 2 layers of plastic in order to withstand the high pressure of the water. It is connected from the appliance to the cleaning attachment. Cleaning attachment, a simple trigger gun with a valve to allow water to pass through when you squeeze the handle. The water flows to a spinning wand spray and out to your surface or patio. Some pressure washers have other features in addition to those outlined above. Most pressure washers have ground fault circuit breakers that are built in case of an electrical failure. Read jet washer reviews to ensure that you're buying the right item with the right specs you need. How it works. Water is able to clean surfaces because it sticks to the particles. Detergents help the water to stick even better and break down any grease on the surfaces. However, some surfaces are really difficult to clean despite using water and detergent. This is where a hydrojet high-pressure washer comes in handy. It has a narrow nozzle that blasts jets of hot or cold water to surfaces. Since water is pressurized, it will come out at a very high speed, blasting away any particle on its way, including dirt. This high pressure may cause damage to spaces, which is why it is important to test the pressure washer on an inconspicuous surface such as the ground before using the hydrojet to clean. Also, make sure that you read all the instructions before you start using your pressure washer. Always test the pressure washer on the ground before using it. The detergent flows from a container into the pressure washer through a pipe or from the detergent box. Cold water from the water inlet flows in through another pipe. The electric motor powers the pump which mixes the detergent and water. It is during this time that the water is heated to 125 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 to 70 degrees Celsius. It is then forced out into the reinforced high-pressure hose and through the cleaning attachment. The nozzle size will help increase the pressure of the water flowing out of the jet. The narrower the nozzle, the more pressure it can put out. Conclusion. Hydrojet high-pressure power washers are very efficient. They help reduce the labor and time spent in removing stubborn dirt from surfaces. If you are looking to clean your patio or driveway, be sure to check out some of the online stores for a high-pressure washer. There are tons of them out there. Just make sure to pick the one that can cater to your pressure washing needs and budget.